Have you ever faced a moment so difficult that a thought whispered in your mind, "Did Allah forget me? Did I do something wrong?" It's a heavy question. One that many of us have carried in our hearts, in those moments of struggle. It's easy to feel lost, to believe that our hardships are a sign of divine displeasure. But what if I told you that Islam offers a profoundly different and comforting perspective? What if those hard times are not proof that Allah is angry, but actually a sign that He cares deeply for you? Let me share a story about a young Muslim boy named Noah. Noah was a good boy. He tried his best in everything he did. He prayed on time, he was kind and helpful to others, and he always listened to his parents. He was the kind of son any parent would be proud of. Yet, despite his best efforts, life felt incredibly hard for him. He struggled with his studies at school, no matter how much he revised. His friends would often misunderstand him, leaving him feeling lonely and isolated. Some days just felt so heavy, like he was carrying a weight he couldn't see. And in those quiet, heavy moments, Noah would wonder, why is this happening to me? I'm trying so hard to be good. Why is life still so difficult? This wasn't a question of doubt, but one of pure, honest confusion. It came from a heart that was trying to make sense of the world. One evening, Noah was sitting quietly in his room, the weight of his day visible on his face. His mother, with her gentle and loving intuition, noticed his sadness. She sat beside him and asked softly, "What's wrong, my dear son?" Noah looked at his mother. His voice barely a whisper as he said, "I try to do good, Mom. I really do. So why is life still so hard?" His question was so honest, so important. His mother listened patiently, her heart aching for his pain, but also knowing the wisdom she needed to share. She took his hand and said, "My son, listen to me carefully. Allah does not test the people He hates." She paused, letting those words sink in. In fact, she continued, the opposite is true. Allah tests those He loves. He tests them to make them stronger, to bring them closer to Him, and to make them better than they were before. She explained it to him with a simple analogy. Think about your muscles. Noah, how do they grow stronger? They grow with effort, with strain, with exercise. In the same way, our hearts grow with patience. Our faith grows when it's challenged. These difficulties are like exercise for your soul. Noah listened, and for the first time, a flicker of understanding lit up his eyes. He started to think about his struggles in a new light. Every hard moment, every challenge he faced, had actually taught him something valuable. When he struggled in school, it taught him the importance of perseverance and the humility to ask for help. When his friends misunderstood him, it taught him patience and how to communicate with more kindness and clarity. When he felt lonely, it pushed him to seek comfort in his prayers, strengthening his connection with Allah. He began to realize a profound truth: the tests weren't breaking him. They were shaping him. It was as if Allah was personally carving his character, teaching his heart lessons it could learn in no other way. This was not a punishment. It was a curriculum designed by the Most Merciful. And here is the beautiful promise from Allah that his mother shared with him: no tear you shed is ever wasted. No silent effort you make is ever forgotten. No moment of patience you endure goes unseen by Him. These tests, as heavy as they may feel, are a means of purification. They clean the heart from its attachments to this world. They elevate your spiritual rank, your level in the eyes of Allah. And most importantly, they bring you closer to Him. So, listen carefully. The next time life feels hard, the next time you feel overwhelmed and start to question why, I want you to remember now, don't let the thought Allah hates me enter your mind. Don't stop making dua, because that is your most powerful tool. And whatever you do, don't give up on doing good. Instead, change your inner monologue. Say to yourself, Allah is teaching me. Allah is strengthening me. Allah is preparing me for something better. Because the truth is, Allah tests those He loves. It is a sign of His divine care and attention. He sees the potential within you, a potential for strength, for patience, for a closeness to Him that you might not even see in yourself. He is polishing you, like a diamond, so that you can shine even brighter. Let us end this reminder together with a heartfelt prayer. Allah, when you test us, grant us beautiful patience. When our hearts feel weak, make them strong with your remembrance. Make every trial we face a means for us to come closer to you, and a way to purify our souls. Ameen. Remember this always, in every season of your life, easy times are blessings to be grateful for, hard times are lessons to grow from, and both, in their own way, are a manifestation of Allah's infinite love and wisdom. If this reminder touched your heart, please show your support by liking this video, sharing it with someone who might need to hear it, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Your subscription helps our community grow and allows us to continue spreading these important messages. Thank you for watching.